Hey guys, welcome to Chaos Kitchen. You know what's happening today? We are making Nathan his favorite dish.
Eggplant Puttanesca.
Woo! Here's the trick to a good puttanesca. It's anchovies. You got to use anchovies. You don't like anchovies? Don't make puttanesca.
Anchovies. Why?
That's how it
Anchovies.
So what we do is we take 2 anchovy trays in the oil, drip, 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 drip. First step, anchovies, and we heat them up. Nathan, do you like puttanesca?
No, I love puttanesca. Dun, dun, dun.
I'm gonna kind of squish these up. Hey, no, you can't just run up and eat my oregano. You just chill there. He's like, I want food, Dad.
Me too, I want food. Food!
Food, glorious food. So you turn that into a paste. Yeah, boy.
Just like me. That looks so good. Can I just drink that?
It's probably not too hot. Here, 1 spoonful. For those that don't know, San Marzano organic. Very good. Getting a little expensive these days lately from Italy, but this is like, by the way, you will see.
Hashtag Nana.
Ooh, Nana. Nana. Hashtag Nana food.
Hashtag Nana. N-A-N-N-A. Like your Nana, but better, because it's us.
Oh, I like that. Can opener. This is gonna take a hot minute, guys. And I'm gonna let you see. We're just gonna slice this.
How should I wear this? Should I wear it this way? Should I wear side part? That side?
Oh, I don't know. What kind of?
That side. What do you think?
Comment below, which side does Nathan look better with his chef hat on?
Yeah. Can I do that? That looks like fun.
While he's doing that, we need to take our black olives. Kalamata black olives. Kalamata black olives. Big difference. Big difference.
What's the difference, Vic?
The flavor.
Okay, well there you go.
So I'm going to drain these. Nathan, can you entertain our guests?
Not taking my pants off.
That's how food's made, with love.
I feel like this is pretty chops.
That's perfect.
Okay, nice watch.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Of course. What time is it? 8 o'clock?
8 o'clock, baby.
Nice.
And now we're going to come over here. We got heat back on while Nathan's chopping. Get our little things warm. And we're going to get our olives seared in there with that delicious anchovy juice.
Jovi.
Put it on the heat. Put it till it starts bubble, super slow bubble, just to get out. Oh, bubbling.
Bubbling.
Bubbling. Boom. Wow. Boom. Trademarked.
Mega chinchilla. Girlfriend and her friend trying to go viral on TikTok. That's actually done. Boom. Chinchilla. Were these pre-done?
Those are pretty sliced. I know, I cheated.
Oh, we're lazy.
I'm doing this fast because I want you guys to see you can whip it up. So we're crisping up our capers. We just have the jar, drained out the vinegar. Now we got capers.
Let's go, capers.
The more you let this sit, it thickens up the sauce. So that's why we're making these separate. Anna, do you like capers?
No, but if they're hidden in, like, as long as you don't tell me what's in food, I'll probably eat it.
That's the right answer. Anna made a really great video. You guys got to see it. I'm going to make sure we link it because Anna's great, guys. This is what we're doing. I came here, hang out with Nathan. Check out Nathan's podcast. Actually, what's super cool about his podcast is he's got all these super famous voice actors that you really never get to see, and they're talking about the industry, and he's dropped a bunch of them, and Dane Cook was good.
We had the odd ones out.
Yeah.
And Todd Myers, Swampy Mars.
Oh my God, Phineas and Ferb love. Our sauce is cooking. We're doing good, everybody. Just letting y'all know. Love sun-dried tomato oil, so we're gonna pour a little bit in here.
Ooh, that's gorgeous.
Sun-dried tomatoes can overpower. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of make these really small, because if you put too many of these in, it's really gonna overpower all the flavors. Nathan's doing an amazing job on that.
We're just going.
We're going, here we go.
Getting it done.
Go ahead. Now we do our sun-dried, give that a little.
Oh, yeah.
I am going to enhance the cheese flavor by doing some grated pecorino. So that's why we have the pecorino and the mozzarella. Yum, 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 cheese. All right, is that ready? Ooh, it is ready.
That's what I'm saying.
Chef, look how nice your base looks.
Oh, the camera did the thing. Is that
Oh no, we got to turn it back on.
Right.
Oh, here, we can leave that. I'll take, then we don't change our framing. Oh. For the editing. Here, if we want it super puttanesca, we don't use all the sauce. We just kind of blend in about yay much sauce.
Yay much.
Now we're gonna fry the eggplant in those. We're gonna use olive oil, and we need a lot. So be prepared, everybody.
Kumazine cheese.
No, hey, don't steal all the Kuma. You can't steal all the cheese, Kuma. You
I
know.
only like pre-licked cheese, so Kuma get to work.
Don't worry, we have all that other. That'll be yours. So now what we're doing, everybody, we're making these kind of thick, right? Because
Gummy thick.
yeah, see that? Little pepper, little salt. massage it on in there. And then when our oil's hot, be careful. Oh, I gotta also show you guys a pro tip, how you put these in. People do this, and then the oil drops and splashes you and burns the right. Do it away from you. As you could see the difference, so much better to use tongs.
Look at the bubbly, bubbly, bubbly.
By the way, this is how you start a lot of kitchen fires. Make sure you don't have the oil too high up here, I mean.
Unless you like fire.
Well, yeah, if you like fire.
That's fine. I forgot I was wearing this hat.
You look
Does it
great.
still look good?
It still looks good.
Cool.
Oh, see, that's what you're looking for. See that browning? That's where we're going. Let's see what Nathan says. It's his favorites.
Oh, damn, that's so good. That's out of this world.
Did you know that Anna and Nathan are getting ready to go Hawaii? And they said if this meal was good, I might be able to come and cook for them.
Oh, dude, you want to come to Hawaii?
I want to do layers because I think it looks really cool. I'm going to take some sauce and we're going to put it on the top. Nice little layer. Come over here, take our mozzarella, spread it out a little bit like that. Not too thick because we want it to melt. Come back, get a parm. This is not the dog parm. These are really hot, so be careful. Put that here.
Oh, sandwich.
Oh, and then we're gonna do another layer. We're gonna cover it.
Okay, starving.
We're gonna open that in like 2 minutes, and guess what? Nathan's eating. All right, everybody, we're about to plate it up. Stay tuned. Woo! Meow. Let's take a look. It's been a few. Oh, that's actually perfect. Very important to plate properly, right? So we're gonna grab that. Let's slide. Now here's what we do. We go, Nathan, would you like your eggplant Parmesan Puttanesca? Ooh.
Oh.
Nathan eats out a lot, so we're giving him a plastic knife and fork.
Oh, so good.
Does it win? Does it win? I think it wins everybody. So I'm telling you.
Dude, that's crazy. It's so good.
Is it amazing?
You gotta try some, bro.
Eggplant Parm Puttanesca.
Eggplant Puttanesca Parm.
There you go. That's it.